Good afternoon. My name is Tom Kirshner. I'm the owner of Hawk Enterprises, and I'm here today to talk to you about the 17-inch Brute floor machine. What separates the Brute floor machine from the standard floor machines is it comes standard with a 180 frame, totally enclosed fan-cooled motor, and it comes standard with a 12.3 power cord. This unit is the strongest unit in the 1.5 horsepower 110 class. You can put up to 75 pounds of additional weight on this unit, and what makes this a very dynamic unit is you can do everything from cleaning carpets to grinding with diamonds and polishing floors with diamonds. It is the most flexible universal machine that we make.